Hi, this is Richard L. Wren again. Another one of my series about getting your books published. One of the first things you have to do is write the book. And a number of people come to me and said they had a lot of problems getting started or getting finished, trying to get that wonderful first paragraph. I've got several ideas that have helped people. I'm very lucky. I've never really had that problem. For me, writing has come very easy, although late in life. I didn't start till I was 82 writing. One thing that I've always thought would be easy, or people have told me helps, is picture yourself at a party, for example, at somebody else's home, and somebody comes up to you and says, George, heard about your trip to the East last year, and you had some adventures. Why don't you tell us about it? Well, you say, I don't really want to do that, but they finally talk you into it. And you sit down, and everybody gets settled, and they have a drink. The first thing you don't do is say chapter 1. And I think if you get chapter 1 out of your mind, just start writing. Like I say in my book, just write the damn thing. Another thing is to get the worrisome things out of your mind. If you just start writing, forget about punctuation, forget about chapterizing, forget about spelling, forget about anything like that that's going to slow you down. Just write the damn thing as if you were talking to somebody. You don't have to paragraph or anything, just write it. And remember, nobody's going to buy the book because you are such a wonderful punctuator. They're going to buy it because the story's good. So your genius lies in your writing ability, not your punctuation ability. That's an idea that has helped a lot of people. It's helped me a lot. I do not pay any attention. I don't even use spell check when I write my first version of my next book. What you do is you sit down and you start writing. And one of the things they say is get your butt in your chair and your fingers on your computer and get going. And again, sometimes people worry about getting that very wonderful opening sentence or opening paragraph. People say, oh gosh, I've got to read this book. I can't put it down. That's difficult to do, and a lot of people get stuck at that point. So don't do it. Just start writing. What I found often is that my third chapter will end up as my first chapter. The third chapter will have something that's developed and becomes exciting, and that becomes my first chapter. So don't worry about that first chapter or the first sentence. Just start writing whatever comes to your mind. If you need to, start out with something very trite. It was a cold and windy night, or something funny happened on the way to the forum tonight, or some silly thing. Whatever you want, just get started. Once you open the gates, the rest of it will come. That's a few ideas that help. Another one is to have a favorable setting. If you want to tell a story about your living room, you know where everything is and you can describe it thoroughly. You can describe the dust motes that show when the sun shines through the windows. You can talk about the doors and the windows and people and things that you're very, very familiar with. Start writing about something you're very familiar with. That'll make it much easier to get going. I'm Richard L. Wren. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go to my website, rlwren.com. See you next time.